India on Thursday launched its first fully indigenous hydrogen fuel cell-powered passenger vessels into commercial service, marking a significant step towards decarbonizing the country's inland water transport sector. Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal, flagged off the vessel's maiden commercial run from Namo Ghat in Varanasi, developed by Cochin Shipyard Limited and operated by the Inland Waters Authority of India. The vessel is the first in the country to demonstrate hydrogen fuel cell propulsion in a maritime environment. Powered by a low-temperature proton action membrane fuel cell system, it emits only water, enabling completely pollution-free operation. Speaking at the launch, Sonowal said the initiative reflects the Modi government's push for clean, sustainable and self-reliant mobility technologies. Officials said the vessel will significantly improve urban mobility in Varanasi with zero noise, zero smoke and zero emission. It is also expected to reduce road congestion, enhance tourism and generate employment, positioning the city among the world's early adopter of hydrogen-powered public transport. The report, News Now.